In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner templates. If you want to set up a new plan quickly without building everything from scratch, templates in Microsoft Planner are a great option. They give you a ready-made starting point, which can save time and help you stay organized from the very beginning. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple process for choosing a template and starting a new plan with it. To begin, go to the My Plans area in Microsoft Planner. This is where you can view your existing plans and manage new ones. If you're already signed in, this page is usually the main hub for your planner activity, so it's the right place to start whenever you want to create something new. Once you're on the My Plans page, click on Create a Plan. This opens the setup flow for a new plan. If you're used to creating plans manually, this is the same general starting point, but instead of beginning with a blank plan, you'll be able to choose from available templates. This can be especially helpful if you're creating plans for common workflows like project tracking, task management, onboarding, or team coordination. After that, choose a template. Take a moment here to look through the options and select the one that best matches the kind of work you want to organize. The template you choose will shape the initial structure of your plan, which may include task groups, suggested tasks, and a layout designed for a specific use case. Picking the closest match can reduce setup time and make it easier to get started right away. Once you've selected the template you want, click on Use Template. This tells Microsoft Planner to create your new plan based on that template structure. From there, your plan will open with the template content already applied, giving you a framework you can begin working with immediately. At this point, you're ready to review the plan and adapt it to your needs. Even though the template gives you a starting structure, you can still customize the details later to better fit your team or project. The main benefit is that you don't have to build the entire setup yourself, and that's how to use Microsoft Planner templates. As you can see, the process is quick. Go to My Plans, create a plan, choose a template, and use it. If you want a faster and more consistent way to launch new plans, templates are an excellent tool to use.